Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on this area of the garage here in the front. I need to build a storage room right here, which will double as the front of the wall here will be where I mount like my pressure washer, my hose reels, some of those things that I'll just be able to grab and go and work on cars. So the inside of that is what I'm really looking forward to because it's going to house my air compressor, the vacuum, and just serve as some general storage. This side of the garage over here will be where my tool cabinets and everything go, and I've got my little helper today. She is loving this weather. It's only like 20 degrees, but I will have links in the description if you guys are looking to save some money and build your dream garage on your own. This is a great adventure. I've loved doing this, and I'll have some product links in the description. I don't have power here yet, so I'm running off of just extension cords from the house, but this LED light that I'm using is amazing. I actually picked it up at Walmart, and so I'm not a big proponent of guys that just dump a bunch of affiliate links in their description of stuff that they don't really use. If there is an affiliate link in my description, it is tools that I use and that I trust, and they are not all the time, they're not the black and gold or the red and white labels. It's just stuff that I feel like there's no sense of going out and spending a bunch of money on stuff that you could go get the same quality stuff for half the price. So some of these things will have non-affiliate links in the description, but I always like to help guys out because I know that when I watch videos and I'm like, oh man, how's he lighting that place up? Or what kind of camera system is he using to film his videos? Or what kind of audio? Just all those little things. And I want to be the channel that if you're kind of looking to save money on something or build something on your own or detail cars for a side hustle or for a living, I want to be kind of that channel that you can go to for help. I believe in, and that's one thing I love about the detail community is everybody's so willing to help. And so this is kind of my give back, and all I ask in return is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want. And I will be glad to try to answer any questions that I can. I'm not an expert. I'm not a professional contractor or builder. I'm just trying to learn as I go, and I'll have links in the description from other channels that I've picked up tips and tricks from, so hopefully you guys can learn too. But I really appreciate y'all, and let's get this area cleaned up. I've got to get some measurements, and hopefully when my kids get here later, maybe I'll have this wall done and we can stand it up, so stick around.
Hey, don't you be chewing on that. Nope, don't you be chewing on that. You like it right there? Hmm. 3. Nice and steady. Okay. Now, keep coming, my. Okay. Okay.
Now just get it where you can go. All right, guys. Finally got everything kind of cleaned up and got this room finished, which I'm so excited to finally get this part of the garage build done. Now we are pretty much ready for electrical. I have some 2x6s here by 10s that I need to trim up to use for some bracing between the rafters and this wall right here, just to help support it a little more and to give areas for drywall to connect to, because this will all be drywalled and insulated and everything like that. What I need from you guys is suggestions. So this wall right here, this front wall, is going to be my the front of the garage, where I will hopefully have hose reels that I can just pull off and work on the cars from here. So I'm not sure how I want this to look yet. My water comes in right over here. So I'm kind of looking for suggestions from you guys on ideas here. I thought personally what this room is really being built for is a little bit of storage, but mainly I want it to house the air compressor and the vacuum. So the vacuum and everything will be in here. I'll have lines that will come through the wall and obviously attached to hose reels. I think with the water filtration system, I'm gonna mount it on either this wall over here or on the front here or on the back side. I just don't know yet how I want that to live. So I'm open to suggestions, what you guys think I should do with this space, what you would do. I think the walls on the sides are pretty much gonna be clean and bare, with the exception of some outlets, but still open to ideas. And I thought about maybe running an air line from in here to the front of the garage where the garage door is, to maybe just have a blowout station there. When I get a car, I can blow the car out outside before I ever bring it into the garage, because I want this to really be more of a studio area where the cars really can, we can maximize the detail and really give customers back a quality product. So I'm open to suggestions what you guys think we should do with this space, how you would lay it out. Over here is going to be where my tool storage is. So I'll have a tall cabinet here, and then tool cabinets and a workbench there, a workstation. We'll have lighting over here that will be different from what we have out here. But again, I'm open to suggestions, and one of the things that I can't wait to, there's a few ideas that I have that I'm excited about, but appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions on doing a project like this yourself, don't hesitate to ask or leave a comment. But yeah, it's been a fun project. I hope you guys have enjoyed this so far. If you're so inclined, please like and subscribe. Really appreciate it. It's free. So there's links in the description. And like I always say, I don't just throw a bunch of affiliate links in there. That's not what the goal is here. We're here to try to help. So there's going to be some links in there to some products that are not affiliate links. They're just stuff that I use and trust. So if you're looking for any of these tools, whether it be cameras, audio, lighting, tools, whatever, I'll try to link that in the description below. I also will link other builders and tradesmen that I've learned some things from that are way better at this stuff than I am. So, but anyway, appreciate it. Thanks and have a great day.
Sometimes I really wonder why I fool myself again and again. 'Cause I say